this how you wear it? Ooh.
This doesn't make sense.
Is it how you wear it?
No, that makes sense.
Wait,
Oh, that's pretty strong.
wait, where do they go? Do they go like this? How do you wear these? Wait, give me my, I'm gonna tell you, give me the goggles. I gotta see how this one. Am I ready?
That's perfect.
Wait, I don't know where. You're trying to answer.
Oh my god. They really are tight. Oh my god, I ate a peach and burped and it smelled like a skunk. Why? Why?
Why is everything wet?
So we go in the pool?
Wait, I need to know. Is that video? What is it?
Caution. Nose plugs can cause hiccups. Oh man, you ready for the pool tomorrow?
Don't do that.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
Let's fix up the bleeding now.
What did you put the earplug up your nose?
Oh wait, I figured it out.
Did it?
Wait, hold on. I figured that.
You figured it out?
Ow. Now I need my eye mask. When I go to bed at night. They're falling off. They're falling off. The snot.
Oh, that's not good.
More tissue or something.
There's not on it. Oh,
Wait, how do we wear these?
You're a killer. You're a thriller killer. Alright, I'm getting ready to battery in the book.
Oh, yours are different. Yeah, you have a different colors. The thing, it goes up like this.
You're too funny. You are too funny.
I think this. I don't know. If it gets the job done, that's all that matters. Is it really? Oh my goodness. Please. It's 1:38 and it's icky outside. Look, they're hiring.
Okay, they're hiring. Let's go look for the intimate table.
Yeah. I know. We can get a nail done.
Petty Manny, $40.
All I need is a manicure.
It's cute. Okay, we're having now.
Gluten-free Domino's pizza.
And da 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 da. How is it?
Yeah.
2 thumbs up? Wow. Just take a little looky-loo. Yummy. but it's really hot. Okay, bon appetit. Enjoy. Monday through Thursday from 9 to 2.
I just need
So you have to say
someone that can do what I want.
it.
We have to go back to Kendra's place. I don't know.
What was that one called? Do you remember?
It was by the Home Depot.
Yeah.
See,
Near the pancake house.
there. No, it was by Home Depot.
Joanne's Hut.
Not Joanne's. That's where I got the best macaroni and
It's
cheese.
past the Home Depot.
It's the best macaroni and cheese.
This looks like the next place.
Right there, one where they also got the pizza where you can get the olives, the green ones, not the black ones.
Try this pepper pasta.
Ooh, the Smoothie King.
Smoothie king. Are you a smoothie person? Oh,
And then we came down on Wednesday. My dad on a Wednesday, same Wednesday, we came down in the evening. He had a morning flight to Arkansas and he's been stuck there. I think just now he's finally getting home. And Domino's was delicious. That gluten-free bakery, I didn't bother to film it because it looked awful. And right now we're picking up a friend and we're going for a little ride, a little exploration. And then if it clears up and the weather's safe, we'll hang out by the pool and or the beach. So it's around what, like 4 o'clock, and we went on a little adventure and I went to CVS and I got some hair conditioner to put in my hair for when I do go swimming, if it ever isn't raining or thunderstorms or lightning. And got someone's phone buzzing. Is it mine? Yeah, tweets from Scotty McCrary. Not personally, I just have his notifications turned on. And some, like a miniature size, travel size of my cellular water for my face. So, we got a lot going on.
Time to talk to me. If you were actually, you know, being the one taxiing to the...
He was taxing the plane
Yeah,
himself.
if it was in the cockpit, it would make some sense. Just sitting as a passenger, like Barry's stuck in an elevator, where's he gonna go?
That was great.
That was hysterical. Okay, so Barry, we had a terrible incident here today. Luckily it didn't happen to us. But we're trying to sell the condo and a realtor came with people to show it to them and they got stuck in the elevator for 15 minutes. Now I want you to know it's Florida, it's summer, and 15 minutes in an elevator is like equal to what, day and a half outside an elevator?
Yeah.
So anyway, that was the great debacle, and then that is no way to sell a place. I mean, I know I wouldn't buy if I got stuck in there. I would go right to the psych ward after they rehydrated me. So anyway, so Barry is telling us how he got stuck in an elevator, and when he called for help, guess what the person said to him?
Don't go anywhere.
Don't go anywhere. Help is on the way. Don't go anywhere. Is that not hilarious? You're stuck in an elevator. There you go. I think that's stupid. So anyway, I don't have a great deal of hope that these people will buy my condo after spending 15 minutes in Florida, summer, stuck in an elevator. I have a question.
Yeah.
Did you bring your camera?
Yeah, why?
Because I forgot
Oh,
mine.
yeah, I got mine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Double check.
Yeah, I was double checking it back to you.
That's good. As long as you think you have it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I know I don't have mine.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, phew. Because I think maybe we might film something later.
Yeah, like the sunset.
Oh, good idea.
Good idea.
Good idea. I like that.
We can use this for time lapse.
Oh, good idea.
We can test it out.
Okay, 360. I like that. So, I'm so excited. We're going to Old Naples. I love Old Naples. How about you?
It's nice.
It is very, 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 very
ain't no SeaWorld, honey.
They got very excited. I think they were having a little bit of the grape. Don't you?
Yeah.
Things are just a little more exciting than appropriate. But anyway, it's funny. These old style condos that look like motels.
Mm-hmm.
Get big bucks for those.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the public beach right there. Louderville.
Thought it was a private.
No, we passed the private beach. Now this is the public beach. And that's where I like to have breakfast at First Watch.
Oh.
They have really good breakfast. Really, 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 really good. And if you're lucky, you get to eat outside. And it's right on the water, and you can see the boats and the manatees. But there's very limited tables, so in season, you can't really get there. Out of season, you gotta get shot. Very good shots.
Beautiful.
There's some lady. The palm tree. Look at all the pigeons.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you climb in there?
I like those.
Ooh, birdie birds.
It looks like pigeons.
I know.
What are
The
they?
pigeons of the south. What is this? It's slippery.
I know, it's fruit thingies that fall off the tree, and then they smell, they like ferment. They smell like,
Ugh. Those drunk birds.
yeah, probably. Because when you walk over to the pool at Interlaken, it smells like fermented fruit. Oh, look at the flower on there. It's pretty. So we're heading to the pier, the historic pier in Old Naples. Coming up on this house that I keep saying, maybe the next time we come we'll go take the tour.
Isn't it like always on a Wednesday? Like,
Well, it's the historic Palm Cottage. Tuesday through Friday. Look online.
look,
Summer
it's a
greeters
grandma.
are needed. No, you can shop here.
I know who would love that.
A greeter. Isn't it cute?
Josh's sister.
I think it's so cute. One of these days we gotta come here. When it's actually open. Pretty garden back there. Look at that new house they're building.
Which
Oh, two new houses.
One for me and one for you.
Maybe
Which
they're
one do
cheaper
you
by the
want?
dozen. We're gonna come to the very famous. Here, I love this door. Oh look, they have parties in here. Sculptures. Take a peek. We're gonna come to the very, 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 very famous house that winter of 1994. We had monster snowstorms every single solitary Tuesday night, closing the schools on Wednesday. Week after week after week. Ice so thick on the driveway. You had to take a pickaxe. And we were ready to all crack up and die from shoveling so much snow. So we decided we'd go on vacation, and so did the rest of the world. It was your February President's week off, and we couldn't find anything, not anything available. So we ended up renting this house, and it's right at the pier.
It's right here.
Nope, one more.
Come on.
Nope, it's at the very end, right on the beach. And Mallory,
How old was I? 5 years old?
were you 5th grade?
No, I was like 5 years old.
No, you're older than that.
No,
95.
I was like yay big.
You was born in 1987.
I was not in the 5th grade.
No, you're right. You were small. You're born in 87. Scott's 83.
Maybe Scott was in the 5th grade.
Yeah,
I
Scott-
sure as hell
Scott
was not in the
Scott was-
5th grade.
No, Scott was in the 5th
I was
grade.
a little child who had no 2 front teeth,
That's right.
who played in the ocean with her grandfather.
Right. So we're at this house that I don't know, I would guess would probably sell for, what do you think, $10 million on the beach like this? Right on the water. And we walk inside and Mallory looks it over and says, you know, it's a little bit crappy. So it has been known as the Little Bit Crappy House.
Well, it's the
They've
truth.
since renovated it, but here it is, folks.
It's the truth.
This is here, take a peek. This is the house we rented. And we brought Grandma and Pa and Elaine. And we had a rental car that we thought was just an upgrade of a riding lawnmower. And it was 80 degrees and sunny every day. And at home, people were still shoveling snow, so I think it was perfect. And that was our first time in Naples. Little did we know,
Cut to.
we'd be buying here someday.
Beautiful.
So, a horrible snowstorm brought us something wonderful.
What does it say?
Built in 1888 as a freight and passenger dock, the Naples Pier stands as a community landmark. Narrow gauge train rails spanning the length of the pier transported freight and baggage in the early 1900s. Part of the structure, as well as the post office located on the pier, was razed by fire in 1922. Rebuilt after damage by hurricanes in 1910, 1926, and 1960. It remains a public symbol of the area's history. So imagine you have to go around on a pier to go to the post office?
No. Where's the Pony Express?
Yeah, well,
Bring that back.
I guess here it was the Dinghy Express.
The thingy?
Yeah. Maybe they put the letters in a bottle and threw them over.
Maybe that's where that came from.
Maybe. Waterside Shops. We are in the parking garage of the Waterside Shops in beautiful Naples. Heading for Fatland. Also known as Haagen-Dazs. Making people fat.
Been making them happy since what's the year?
I don't know. Do you think their pottery barn's still open?
Maybe.
Up the balcony over there.